Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing our, what is it, mid-month check-in. There we go, our mid-month check-in. So let's go ahead and start with the first week. And for the first week, I'm gonna go ahead and check how much we made. And yeah, okay, all right. So I should probably put, this should have a date somewhere. So I'm gonna put right here, week ending 2/1/19. Is it 2/1 or was it the second? I think it was the second. It was. So this is the pen that I use. It's Frioxon. I'm not really sure, but you guys can see here it erases beautifully. As long as you don't have a heavy hand, you really don't see any indication of anything like that whatsoever. So I made 698.54, and my husband was 831.51. Now those of you who are new, me and my husband are salaried. This is our set salary, but if we do work overtime and whatnot, which my husband usually does, then we do get a little bonus, basically is what it is, to be honest. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna try to start from the top to the bottom. So let's go ahead and try to get that figured out. So it's 698.54 plus 831.51. So we're looking at 1530.05, and that is a difference of 118,341, $346.64 in the positive.
Just to go ahead and do all of it. It's 644. That's not right. That's not right at all. 698.54 minus 549.24. It's $149.30 more. Let's see. 831.51 minus 634.17 equals 197.34.
Okay. So our mortgage was actually what is our mortgage? 6, so I still don't know what it is. 679. It is, our Wells Fargo was $30. We did put $50 into savings, 129 towards our debt, and we did save 150. So I guess I should actually put this at 300 because the other 300 I saved. So that's how much I put towards this check. So I think I'm just gonna do it like that. Plus 30, plus 50, plus 129.15, plus 150. What the heck? Why did it come out different? Oh, yeah, why did it come out different? So 379 plus 30 plus 50 plus 129.15 plus 150. Okay, so it did come out to be 659.94. So we're gonna add these two together for our sinking funds and our cash envelopes because we did stuff all of them that week. That gave us a total
Looking back, I actually see that I added the wrong thing. So my total is not what I have here. It's 659.94 plus 435. And then I will be minusing that from 1530.05. So I actually should have $1,094.94 is what we actually spent, minus the $15.30.05, which gives us $435.11 is what we had rolling over into next week.
It was really bad. I'll link that video. So out of this check, that's what we should have had left, which was not the case because we overspent on our tracking log. Okay, so now we're gonna go into week 2, and this was week ending 2/9/19. Let's see if that's right. Yeah, today's the 10th. Okay, so let's see. I didn't work anything over, so I made $549.25, so that's nothing extra. And my husband made, if I can find it, he did work 1 day last week over. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get his difference. So
739.90 minus 634.17 is 105.73. So we are up 105.73. Okay, so put 79.90 plus 79.90 plus 549.25.
So we actually did 1289.15. Now those of you who saw this week's, I was pretty much over budget. This is what I thought the total was, and this is what we actually were thinking to bring home. So we were actually covered. Our car note, we did put the 204.06, and we had 200 from the previous week. My phone bill was $48.39. My light bill was $221.55. Actually, I wrote this down because it was not $221. That's what I had this here for. It was actually with the fee or convenience fee was $223.05. So we'll get that difference there. Our dish was actually $55.77, so we're a little negative there. Homework was just $25. Netflix is that, and we were able to put $129.15 towards that and $50 towards savings. Now, one thing I did not count on was my husband's bill. I must have somehow put the layout wrong, because his bill actually came out, his phone bill actually came out for also, let me just write it here, $48.39. Yeah, I wonder if I can move the sticker. Let's see how that goes.
Nice and easy. Oh. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay, so I'll just put it here.
And this is the red pen that I use. Okay, so we're gonna put $48.39. And actually, I have no idea what I did, but I also didn't budget for Access One. I'll put Access One here. I don't know why I had the 19th, but I did, and it was actually the 9th. I really don't know what happened. So that was another bill came out. So let's see. So we were on the money here and here. We under budgeted by $1. Let's see. 221. 22, 21, 55 minus 2305. Yeah. So we were under. This one we were under as well by, and that's because I think the bill was like $60. So I think it's going to be 60 and some change. I don't know why it was that much before. So 55 minus 51, 21. This was right on the money. That's what these. This one was unbudgeted. And this was also unbudgeted. So right now we're not looking very well. Not only we're not looking well, but we also, that doesn't even look right, but 40, 50, 60. Let's try it again. 45. Okay. Plus, we're gonna put this here because this is the same as over here. So plus 177.33 plus, let me put my total there. So that's 1273.78. So our total actual total is 127.73. One is 1273.78. And we're going to subtract that from what we actually made. And that leaves us negative $15. Now we did have some money left over. Let's take a look. So we had this actually left over that rolled into here. We do have some money unaccounted for here as far as bills, and I'll do that in my transaction log. But we had a good week here, and there's a lot of red over here, which is not good at all. Actually, I can take these. So we'll put the money all the way over here. So, and we're gonna be, actually, we're not really gonna be negative this amount because we have money rolling over from last week into this week, but it's really not savings. We haven't really been able to save, but hopefully next month I'll be able to plan my bills out better. So I'm actually going to put here my phone came out here. That was $48.39. Right down here. Oh yeah, 39. So, and then my husband's is actually today. So Brian's, I have it here. It's actually gonna be $48.39 as well. And also my Access One was due on the 11th. So that one's paid, that's paid. Our dish is paid. Netflix, I was able to pay Netflix. So when I do my March monthly budget, I will make sure to pay close attention to the dates, because that's basically 3 bills that I had wrong. I have no idea how, because last month I thought my phone and his phone came all at the same time, but I don't know, maybe I paid it early last month. Well, I'm prepaid, so whenever you pay it, if I pay it, for example, if I would have paid it on the 4th, next month it would have been on the 4th instead of the 5th. So yeah, okay. So it looks like we will have a little bit of funds left over here. Alright guys, well, that's all we have for our mid-month check-in. We are not on a good trend as of right now, but we still have 2 more weeks to help us along the way. Either way, thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye guys.